Missing Westmoreland teen returns home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 14-year-old Christina Brackett, the From Technical High School student who went missing last Wednesday, has returned home. In an interview with reporters on Saturday, Brackett's mother, Sally Ann Blair, said that her daughter left their home in Petersville, Westmoreland for school on Wednesday, November 29, and did not return home. According to the Police Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, Brackett returned home safely on Monday. The police has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.